Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can download Bonza app on your device. Now if you want to download Bonza app and you cannot find Bonza app, then this video will help you to get Bonza app to your device. So follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up Play Store or App Store on your device. And there you have to search for Fly Bonza. Once you found it, you have to simply tap on install button and then your app will start to download and install to your device. And there you go, your app has been downloaded and installed to your device. Now if you want to open your Bonza app right away, then you can tap on open button at the bottom, and if not, go back to your home screen and there you will find Bonza app on your device. Now that's all it takes to download Bonza app on your device. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now that's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.